Hello, friends. What would you like to do today?
Let's play hide and seek.
Oh, I love this hide and seek. How about you hide and I will count to 10.
Yes.
Okay, all right. One moment. I must get over here. I must close my eyes, or at least put my hands over my eyes a little bit. Okay, I count to 10. Ready? Run and hide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.5, 10. All right, friends, here I come. I am going to find you. You know this to be true. Little girl, Snow White. I must find them. Little girl, hello. Is she under the bed? No. Is she underneath this pillow? Peekaboo, little girl. Oh, no little girl. No Snow White either. I wonder if the dog knows. Dog. Wolf. Have you seen this little girl? Wolf? I do not understand dog. How about 1 bark for yes and 2 bark for no? Got it? Ruff. Okay, do you know little girl? Ruff. Do you know Snow White? Ruff. Have you seen them? Ruff, ruff. No. Okay. Well, if you find them, please send them away. Thank you, dog. Goodbye. Oh, Miss Anna, Miss Elsa, baby, and the strange yak-looking creature. Have you seen the little girl? No, we haven't seen her, but I have a feeling they're over the hill and underneath the covers. Oh, I will look. Where is the little girl? Where is the little girl? I shall find her. Is she underneath in this cave? Oh, I see them! I see them! I found them! Hurry!
You haven't found the 2.
All right. I will find the little girl and Snow White. Are they down there? No. Oh, that's another toy. Let's see. Are they
In the here? Yes. They're not in here.
Oh, they're getting so wild looking. Let's see. Is they behind here? No. Well, I give up. Where is the little girl?
They're down.
Oh,
They were
well,
down deep.
No wonder I could not reach so far. My legs are not so long, you see.
I can't.
Hello, Cindy. I got the little girl.
I can't get the bed to move so I can get Snow White.
Oh no, Snow White is gone in the crevice. Oh no. Well, we must find Snow White. Until next time, no svidania. Goodbye.